Good morning students, welcome again our online electrical course. So today our course is related cable pulling. In building and industrial work there have maximum electrical work also coming in cable pulling. So you can take the knowledge of cable pulling also. Cable pulling, any building, industries and big plant, there have so many cable is coming there, armor cable, non-armor cable. We are before discussing with this armored and non-armor type cable with cable and its types. So today I am telling about how to pulling the cable and in building and industries and what is cable pulling. Cable pulling, especially cable pulling, is the most important part of the electrical section also. In every building, if we need to give the supply of electrical room to substation to electrical room and electrical room to every building area. So there have we have in how to coming power. I will explain about this one. First, power is coming in transformer. Okay, transformer to coming MV room or HV room or LV room. Okay, anywhere is coming there, and MV room to LV room, MB room to going LB room, and LB room to going to electrical room to going to sub distribution board or distribution board. Okay, so this is the system of this one. So in each area up to distribution board we need to cable pulling in there, starting in MB room to up to distribution board we need to cable pulling. So cable pulling is a one teamwork. Okay, this is one teamwork have more than 10 workers. There have the more than 10, 12, 13 as per your cable size. Which size cable is pulling and how many meter length is pulling depends with cable size and length. And if the you can pulling the big cable 240 mm square, 4 core 240 mm, 4 core 185, like that, you need to big manpower. Okay, so this is the teamwork, not working in one and two, and one team minimize 10 people and maximum 25-30 as per cable sizes and as per the cable length, how many far is going to cable electrical room to LB room or substation, how many far depends with the far also. Okay, so cable pulling is cable pulling management is we can make the teamwork. Without team this is not possible to work. So teamwork, all team activities, all workers are do good job in cable pulling, not in joking, not in like that. Okay, not any joking and not do. And first cable pulling starting before you can using in full PPE, you can using in PPE, personal protective equipment we should be using in PPE. And mostly cable pulling time you should be need the hand gloves. And gloves need for protect your hand because you can pull the cable with your hand. Okay, so in this teamwork there have a one team leader and foreman. He give the structure of the cable pulling, how to cable pulling, which cable is pulling, everything details is give. Okay, your team leader or your foreman, and you can follow the this one structure, what he is telling you can follow and do the this one. And if somebody is not doing this one in teamwork, this means all team person is active in work. Okay, and this is success. If somebody is not active, this means teamwork is going to delay and problem for you. So everybody should be active and do as per your team leader and your foreman what telling. And it is give the plan of pulling all workers. Okay, so team leader is give the plan of all worker. Today our work is that one, today we are pulling this cable and this is our cable number, and this cable is going to MB room to electrical room or any equipment area they are telling. And after starting the cable pulling. Okay, so cable pulling is doing two areas. First, pulling through main hole trench underground with PVC duct pipe. So in ground level cable pulling, we are doing in ground level also, ground level underground, where is using the duct pipe, through pipe we are pulling the through pipe also. Okay, so this type pulling also we are doing in underground. And another one, pulling through high level cable tray and cable ladder. So pulling the some building is 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor, 4 floor, like that. Okay, and there is need cable tray and cable ladder, and cable tray working time we should be need the more manpower. Okay, so this is high level work, and high level working time you should be follow the work and height permit also, and work and height full body safety harness, everything is you wear, safe protection. Okay, so maximum building and project cable pulling is going to high level work. The maximum cable pulling is going to high level. They have make the installation, the cable tray, cable ladder is there, and we are pulling on cable tray and cable ladder. Okay, so maximum project cable pulling work is high level, first floor, second floor, like that is going. Okay, so you can using in work in height also. And cable pulling time, you don't make the cable in lapping, overlap, crossing, that's you should be clear. One cable tray inside have minimized cable is 6, 7, 8 pieces going there, so that time you can check all cable are going to straight, not in overlap, not in crossing. If there is any crossing is coming, this is not accepted and this is not pass in consultant. Okay, in pulling time you should be check in your area, in cable tray area there have the some overlapping or some cross, you can arrange the this one, remove the cross and overlap. If you make the overlap and not cross, not completed the crossing, this means this is not accepted. Okay, you should be clear of this one. So cable pulling time only not pull the cable, only not pull the cable, you can check the cable tray inside cable have overlap, crossing, any twist, you can check this one also, and make the straight the cable and pulling with the one area. And after you arrange time, very good to arrange the cable, not crossing and not doing this one. If we are pulling in cable tray and cable ladder in heavy cable, armored cable, heavy cable, big sizes cable, after a twist and crossing is coming, not possible to remove this one. Okay, so first pulling time you must be clear about this one, not make a overlap, not make a crossing, and not make like that and pull the straight. So what is the cable laying? So this is called cable laying. Okay, what is cable laying? In cable pulling time, arrange the cable properly, straight and not coming, crossing or overlap is called cable laying. So this is cable laying. Cable laying means one cable tray inside going so many cables, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as per site requirement, or as per the building system, how many system is going there, as per drawing is there, so we can follow this one. Okay, the pulling time you can be must be check the arrangement of the cable properly straight and not coming in crossing and not make the lapping in there. Okay, so this you should be make the straight, be clear about this one. So many interview also telling, in if you going to industrial electrician, that time so many cable work is there, as like a cable pulling, cable grinding, every time you can you can make the cable laying, you can arrange the cable. One cable tray to coming so many cables, so there's glanding time also you can arrange, make the arrange state by state, one by one, numbering by numbering system. Okay, so many interview are asking what is the cable laying. Cable laying is the one important part of cable pulling, and that time we can make the arrange the state properly straight and not coming crossing overlap is called cable laying. Okay, this is the cable laying. Next one, so cable pulling, this is coming continue, we can work cable pulling time. We need to permit also in cable pulling permit. If we are working is underground, that time you can need the in confined space permit also. Okay, so as per your cable pulling area, this is depends the permit. Okay, so permit also need for you. And what tools and materials need for cable pulling time? Okay, what tools and materials need for cable pulling time? So first you need to drawing schedule. You first need to drawing schedule. Okay, so you need to this one, because there have everything is writing about the cable, cable sizes, cable number, where is start from the cable, where is going the cable, which tray going the cable, all are giving in there. So before cable pulling you have the drawing schedule. Already you have the teamwork, and your team leader have the cable schedule or cable schedule. Okay, and next one is cable as per drawing schedule. If the cable available there have or not as per drawing or not, you can check the this one also, and check the cable outside insulation, writing the cable sizes, 4 core, 3 core, or any sizes, which core of cable, which sizes, everything is writing in outside the cable. Okay, so there is writing outside the cable in cable pulling time. And next one is cable pulling jack set. You can need the cable pulling jack set. You have the cable drum. Okay, so cable drum, you cable pulling time should be need the cable jack also. So cable jack is made by iron. This is very heavy, and because cable drum is very heavy, this 5 ton, 6 ton, 10 ton like that. Okay, so this is two system, manual system and hydraulic system. Manual system we can using in control cable, in light cable, control cable we can using in manual system. In small cable pulling time we can using in this one. And hydraulic we can using in big cable pulling time, we can using in hydraulic type, the hydraulic type cable jack. Okay, cable jack and cable jack. And next one is cable pulling roller. So we need to cable pulling roller for the cable tray pulling time or ground level pulling time, because if we put the in some place have the difficult place, not possible to pull in people in corner side, especially in corner of the cable tray, you should be using in cable pulling roller. Okay, this corner side, because worker is not going to pull, possible to pull there, so many force is coming there, so there have the some accident will be come. Every corner we should be arrange the roller, cable roller for pulling. And if you pulling in ground level you should be using in roller, because if ground level you can using this not using in roller and direct pulling, that time your cable insulation is damaged, and insulation is damaged, problem for this cable is damaged and problem for you. So cable, especially in ground level pulling time, you should be using in roller. In duct inside we no need, only rope to pulling. Okay, so in cable tray corner of the cable tray and ground level pulling time, you should be using in cable ruler for insulation protection. Okay, so for insulation protection. And next one is testing cable tie. Cable testing measure. So you need to testing measure also. Before pulling you can test the cable. This cable is good condition or not, this cable insulation is good, this cable inside core is not good or not. You can check the IR insulation testing, and then after you can check to core also check, because this is damage, because cable is going very long area. Okay, this is going to very long area. One cable length is maybe more than 100 meter, 150 meter, like that. Electrical room to some equipment and SMDB and MDB we can pulling time, and this is pulling also high level, and pulling again return is big issue. So this is double main power. So first perfect check the cable, this cable condition is good or not. You can check by multimeter with IR insulation resistance plus core to core resistance also you can check. Core to core means red to yellow, yellow to blue, and yellow to black, like that. We have the 4 core cable, you can all cores are checked. If 3 core you can checking in all cores, and insulation also checking. Okay, so that time you need to measure. So that time you need to measure to IR testing time. And cable tie you need to, after finish the cable pulling, you can straight the cable. Okay, so straight the cable in cable tray. You finish the cable pulling in completed in first point to last point reach the cable. That time you can dressing the cable in straight, not overlap and not twist. Make the straight and put the cable tie to tight the cable. That time you need to cable tie. And masking tape in marking time. After finish the cable, both side you should be marking in there with masking tape, and put the cable number in writing in masking tape to cable number as per your drawing schedule. And both inside, first side or last side, inside both side you writing the same number in both side. And because cable is 2 part, starting part and ending part, so you can put starting part also same number and ending part also same number. So this is easy for identify the cable. So masking tape to writing, and put the cable to cable, and put the cable is there. Okay, so properly put there masking tape to, and make the shape to, and put the plastic tape also to covering this one. Don't remove the numbering. Okay, so that time you can need to masking tape also. Cable cutter and hacksaw frame. So cable cutter and hacksaw frame, especially hacksaw frame we can using for cable cutting for small sizes cable. It's like 25 around the 50, suppose 50, like that cable we can cutting time using in hacksaw frame. And a big cable 4 core 220, 4 core 185, that time we can using in hydraulic cutter. We have the hydraulic cutter also, and hydraulic and electric hacksaw frame also. So electric hacksaw frames also cut, and hydraulic cutter too also cut. So this both of these are need for finish the cable. One cable drum have 1000 meter and 500 meter, like that cable is coming in one drum. So one cable length is 100 meter, 200 meter, like that. After finish the pulling cable, how many cable need for this first panel, you can pulling completed. After cutting time you can using in cable cutter and hacksaw frame. And pulling rope also we can using in the top of the cable cable, top of the cable you need to pulling rope also. Pulling rope we can tie it and pull to pulling rope also. Especially pulling rope is using for the this duct pipe pulling time we can using in rope. So because there is not possible to pull by the hand, so that time we can using the rope and tied the rope in cable and after pull the rope and cable is coming with rope. Okay, so that time we can need the cable rope also. Okay, so these materials are need for the cable pulling time. Next one is cable pulling schedule. Which type of cable pulling drawing? So which type of cable pulling drawing is there? This is the writing. So I will give the one symbol of the this one. Typical cable pulling schedule. Okay, this is the one drawing. It's like a drawing. So there is writing serial number. ASN means serial number from where to coming the cable to where going, and cable size and cable sizes and cable definition. And next one is cable tray routing path. Cable tray routing path, which cable tray to going to cable. So cable tray have the so many layer, first layer, second layer, third layer, because one building and one project have so many tray layer is there. So which layer to going, then they will mention there. So first serial number 1, first cable, this is the serial number 1, first cable, and from MB ROM panel 1. So this is starting from MB ROM panel 1 2 and going to in last ending LB ROM panel 1. So this is we are starting the pulling from MB ROM and going to the LB ROM. Okay, so this going to the LB ROM. And cable sizes 4 core 120 square, XLPE copper AR cable. This means 4 core, inside have the 4 cable. Okay, cable is one solid, but this inside have 4 core into 120 square. This is the sizes of 120 square. So XLPE means I told you 4 types of armor is there: XLPE, AWA, CWA, and another also. Okay, so we have the 4 XLPE. So this is the XLPE type armor. And copper cable is 2 types: armor types and aluminum types. This is the copper type, XLPE type armor, and this cable conductor is copper, and this is armor. AR means armor cable. So XLPE armor cable with copper conductor, and this is 4 core and 120 square and first core. And cable tray route path, which cable tray to going this cable, this is the route path. So this is going tray number 1. So there have the tray layer, first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, because so many cable is going to inside the building from substation or electrical room or LB room or MB room to so many cable are going to inside, because there have so many in industries, so many motors is there, and another system is there. So every system, every cable are coming in electrical room panel, and they are going to electrical room panel to up to the equipment. So we are need to 3, 4, 5 layer cable tray also. So this is the cable tray number 1 or cable ladder number 1 to going. And last one is writing 4 core 120 square, and another is 1 core into 70 square XLPE YG copper cable. This means I am already told power cable half value need to earthing cable, yellow green cable, because earthing is most important for golf. If you make the standard wiring or standard standard glanding everything, there should be need the earthing cable. Okay, so 4 core 120 mm square you need to 1 core 60 mm square, but we have the not in 60 mm square sizes cable, so we have the cable size is 70 mm square. Less than 120 half value is 60, so less than 60 is not using, because we are required in half value of the power cable. Okay, and next one is 70, so we have the available in 70 mm square, so we can using in 70 mm square. And serial number 2, next cable is MB ROM panel 2. So first cable is MB ROM panel 1 to going, and next cable is MB ROM panel 2 to going from panel MB ROM panel 2 and to LB ROM panel 2. So this is starting from MB ROM also, but panel number 2 to, and this is going to LB ROM in panel number 2 also. Okay, so you can check the panel number also, there have so many panel in inside the their panel number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that. Okay, you can check the there is a panel in MB ROM also or MB ROM also, so you can check the numbering also panel ROM. So this is second cable is going to panel coming for MB ROM panel number 2 and going for LB ROM panel number 2. Okay, and cable size and sizes of cable is 4 core 150 mm square. This is the 4 core 150 mm square, and this is also same XLPE copper AR cable. This means same armor size is armor types is XLP, and cable conductor is copper type, and armor cable. Okay, and tray number 2 to going, and earthing cable also need to have value of this one. So 4 core 150 is equal to half value is 75, so we have we know have the 75, so we can using in 1 core 95 mm square XLPE YG yellow green. So earthing cable is yellow and green color code. Okay, this is coming in yellow and color green color code single core. Okay, so copper cable also using, and another third number also electrical room 1 to MDB1. So electrical, this is starting from electrical room. Okay, now all are these two is starting from MB ROM to LB ROM. Now MB ROM to LB ROM going and LB ROM to electrical room or electrical room to equipment also. So first I am already told first supply is coming in government to transformer. Okay, transformer to coming LB ROM or MB ROM in project. Okay, HB ROM high voltage ROM, and then after coming in MB ROM, and MB ROM to going to LB ROM, LB ROM to going to power in electrical room, electrical room to going to power in equipment. Okay, so this is the system of power, and after equipment to going to if direct somewhere direct going to equipment, and somewhere going to accelerator switch also, and then after going the like that. Okay, so electrical room MDB to SMDB 1 first floor. So this is electrical room to going from electrical room to start and going to SMDB sub main distribution board 1 and first floor. This is going for first floor, second floor, third floor, all are going to one way to going, but after divided where is going there, all everything is writing in drawing like that. Okay, and this cable size is 4 core into 70 mm square. So 4 core into 70 mm square cable XLPE copper AR cable. So this is also same XLPE type and copper cable and armor cable. This is also copper core conductor, and this yellow green earthing is need 1 core into 35 mm square. So now you see there have the 70 mm square cable and 35 also available in cable. So this is the half value, 35 into 2 is equal to 70. So if have the same sizes, half value you can using in same sizes. Okay, so this is the system of this one. This is going to tray number 2. So all are giving in like that. So you can see the anybody see the drawing is like that. Okay, so this is the cable schedule is give to like that. First cable, first number cable pulling after completed you can marking this is completed. Okay, second number pulling finish after you marking in second number is finish. So from where to start and ending where everything is give there. So you can check clearly in drawing, and mostly drawing you can check the cable sizes, and before cable pulling you can confirm to this cable condition is good or not. First you can confirm this one, you can check by the measure, and if before checking you can coordinate with your supervisor or engineer. If they are checking is completed, testing is completed, okay, you no need to testing. If not completed, you should be test the IR, insulation resistant testing and core testing, and then after start the pulling of cable. Okay, so this is the system of the cable pulling, and cable pulling is the one team work. Okay, so I have the some this is the multimeter, this is the measure used for the IR testing time you can using in. This is manual and digital type. Okay, so this is cable tie, this is the cable tie. If you completed the cable pulling, after you can check this cable is not crossing and not overlap, and make the straight and arrange to one side to clear arrange and go to one. If you starting in panel side to this LB room, suppose you can pulling the cable LB room to MB room to LB room. So you can starting the dressing in MB room 2. Okay, so MB room 2 every 1 meter you can put the one cable tie. So everybody is I think there have the 10-15 workers is there, and they are pulling between the distance of one worker to another worker is 3 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter like that. Okay, 5 meter. So this 5 meter one person checking there have the overlap or not. After again another person 5 meter checking this there have the overlap or no. So every 5 meters and 6 meter difference between the one worker to another worker checking this one, and serially if the okay you can make the tight and going in serially up to end of the cable. Okay, starting in where to start the cable, and you can straight making and going to the end of the cable, and if completed dressing and everything not overlap not crossing, and again start to next one cable. So this means cable is not coming the twist and make the state, and looking also see is good. Okay, so this is the cable pulling. So cable pulling time, most important things is first you check the cable condition, and next one is pulling time you care cable is not damaged, and next one is you not cable in crossing and overlap in cable tray. You don't think downside to not see not care, but if this infection or testing and commissioning time all client are going to up and checking there have the crossing overlap have no have everything is checking there. If they have crossing and overlap they will not pass, so pass the this work. So this means we again rework in there. So be care of this one, take the time, but you should be straight the cable. Okay, so this is the cable, and these are the jack So this is cable drum, small cable drum I am already told, big cable drum also, small cable drum also. If the big cable drum, big weight of cable, we can using in hydraulic jack also. Okay, we can using in hydraulic jack. If small cable, you can pulling the control cable, some small sizes cable, that time you can using in manual type jack stand also. Okay, and this is the cable ruler. So cable ruler, how to use? Cable ruler is using in corner of the cable tray, and if you pulling the ground level in cable, that time you cannot pull directly in ground because your cable insulation is damaged. So that time you should be using in cable ruler in corner place of the cable tray, and then after in ground level pulling time, ground level. Okay, so today course also most important for industrial wiring, industrial working electrician. They must be care about this one, because there have so many cable industries, maximum cable work is there. So you also arrange the cable, you also check the cable number also, and you also see the drawing set schedule. How to see the drawing schedule, you must be care about this one. So everything is this. So industrial electrician, this is most important, and domestic electrician we also need for this one, because domestic also coming in cable in floor wise level. So that time we can also follow this one, but domestic too in maximum industries using in cable, in armored cable. Okay, so maximum using in armored cable in industrial work. So be care about the cable pulling. Cable pulling is the one part of electrical section also. This is the one part of electrical section also. So you can care about this. Okay, so I hope all of you are clear about today related course. Our today related course is cable pulling. Okay, so cable pulling, if you have the any doubt, any misunderstand, you can make the comments for me. I will more clear all of you. Okay, so today class is completed, and I hope all of you are watch this video and clear about it. Okay, so thank you, wish you all the best, and see you next class.